again, down on my knees in prayer. And Lord, you promised me you would always meet me there. Now there's a mountain up ahead that I can't seem to climb, but I'm praying for the strength